ビリヤニチキンセット at the moment is preparing very quickly and it's ready. Buongiorno. This is Kay from movie Tachibi, walking down the street to Tachikawa North Station from Tachihi Monorail Station. Alright guys, it's a typical rainy days. As Japan, we have rainy season in May and June. Today we got all day long raining, so that I choose to walk down the street with the umbrella. With the umbrella, it's a little bit small. So, my smartphone gimbal is under the umbrella, and then I'm also inside the umbrellas. Therefore, the distance between smartphone gimbal and me is very near. Alright guys, so what we are talking about today is that what do you think about your work? Alright guys, if you think about your work, your things that you must do in a day, right? How to choose, how to make your decision making, or what you are actually doing in a day. Alright guys, so this is walking down the street. Can be said that this is good for exercising to improve your physicality. Alright, so what do you do to your physicality, your physical? Something to do about your physical is one of the most important things that you can do. Masala chai, hot yogurt, and the main dish is chicken biryani. Indian lunch for today. I think this is one of the must to do thing that you invest to your physical. For example, by walking down the street, right? So there is no choice to take a bicycle in a rainy day. Even you have a rain jacket from workman, but it's better and safe to walk appétit in French, right? Walk down the street when it is rainy season. Alright guys, so continuously talking about the topic of today, which is about what do you think about your work, right? So most importantly, you invest yourself to something about your physical, to improve your physicality. Alright, so it comes to terms with what you actually choose to eat in a day. Alright, so I've got some videos previously showing that I choose to eat steak right? So